In this lesson, we're taking a look at the XML file, full of students and information about the students. If you're following along with the exercise files, we're looking at ajax/chapter06/05/students.xml. This file contains information about 25 students. For each student, there's a seat number, a first name, a last name, a reading group, and a lunch period. This can be generated, for instance, out of something like Excel. But the nice thing is that if you're generating it out of, say, Excel, for instance, or out of pretty much any kind of database, that if two kids move around, you have to change them in Excel, and then you re-output this file, but you don't have to make any changes at all to the HTML or the CSS or the JavaScript. So long as the file is in the right place with the right name, it will all just work. As you can see as we scroll down, there's all kinds of information here for each student. You could have all kinds of other information if you wanted it, or if you happen to get it in an XML file. These are the only fields that we're caring about for our little demonstration. And as you can see, it goes on all the way down, and there is, all in all, 25 of them. As you see, the last student number on the screen is in seat 24. That's because the student for seat 25 is actually a few rows up. And what this was there to test is to make sure that the student information has been moved to elsewhere in the file so that we can test what happens when one of the rows is out of order. The XML file doesn't care about the order of students, and neither does the JavaScript. It's all going off of what is the seat number. And in this case, it's seat number 25, so this is the 25th that Ajax is going to care about. Next up, we're going to start adding some of that Ajax code.